When refined baking meets traditional cutting, how can precision and efficiency be achieved at the same time? WAMIT FJ Food Grade Ultra High Pressure Waterjet Cutting redefines the standard for food cutting. Shandong WAMIT focuses on core ultra high pressure waterjet technology, integrating R&D, manufacturing, and service to provide global food processing customers with practical and intelligent cutting solutions. WAMIT FJ Food Cutting Machine features non-contact cutting, no deformation, no contamination. Cutting accuracy achieves plus or minus 0.1 millimeters, ensuring clean edges and uniform dimensions. It is widely used for cutting cakes, bread, chocolate, frozen foods, vegetables, and more, with intelligent control and multi-head batch cutting. It boosts productivity while significantly reducing labor costs. WAMIT Food Waterjet cutting machines are equipped with food-grade cutting heads and worktables, ensuring hygienic and safe processing. Zero contact batter hygiene, zero compression perfect appearance, zero waste maximum efficiency. WAMIT Food Cutting Machine Series, with advantages of high efficiency, stability, environmental and energy saving, has earned the trust and support of customers worldwide, truly enabling cost reduction, efficiency improvement, and intelligent production. Leave your cutting challenges to WAMIT. We provide customized cutting solutions just for you.